Thank you, Rick.
Someone, I have a sore throat. I'm cold. So I'm going to make you guys sing, if that's okay. Can't help about sheep, I'm in. I can't sing, I ain't pretty, and my legs are thin. But don't ask me what I think of you. I might not give the answer that you want me to. Oh well. Now when I talk to God, I know He'd understand. He said, stick by me and I'll be your guiding hand. Don't ask me what I think of you. I might not give the answer that you want me to. Oh well. You guys will all have my cold by the time we're done. You'll be all right, right? You sound, wow, you're sick. Where'd you get that cold? Got it from Rick Springfield. Not the worst thing you could say. But there will be no tongues. So I'm going to make you guys sing since I got to save my voice for tonight. So I did some show the other morning at, wow, I'm high from cough syrup. Wow, pretty lights. So, you guys used to this cold, right? No, I mean, I'm even New Yorkers even complaining. So I'll drop my only guitar pick. Thank you for coming out too, by the way. I didn't think anyone would come out. It's so freaking cold. But they said it was going to be cold, so coming from Malibu, where I live, I packed my heavy-duty shorts and my winter flip-flops. It wasn't enough. I said to my wife, I called her up and I said, "It's one. It's one." She said, "No, it's 10:30. I said, "No, degrees." So, you guys gonna sing for me? Sure. What do you want to sing? Just I don't know that one.
Born Out of Time.
Born Out of Time. Yeah. Oh. I think you'd be the only one singing along with that one, wouldn't you? You both would?
Wishes were fishes.
I can play anything. You just got to know the words. Human touch, all right. I'll start you off. Everybody's talking to computers. They're all dancing to a drum machine. Your turn.
I know I'm living on the outside, scared of getting caught.
That's pretty awesome. All right, me. I'm so scared and isolated alone in the modern world.
Sally has a hard time holding back. The alley to her bar is a mean track. She's got the love monkey riding on her back.
You want love, I got it. Come on, girl.
We all need the human touch. We all need the human touch.
I need it.
The human touch.
We all need it.
The human touch.
We all need it. That's how I got this cold. You know I got my walls. The salad calls improve themselves. Sometimes I need protection. I got the chain, I got the warning belt. All together now.